Hi friends, I hope you are having a wonderful day wherever you are. It's so wonderful to be here with you. Thanks for jumping in. I'm actually here to share that I'm going to be teaching my very first in-person live class here in Central California on September 28th, 2024. And this event is actually the only time I'll ever be teaching this new design right here. And gosh, it would be so wonderful to meet you. I have all the information on the entire event down in the description. And when you reserve your seat, you'll get the YBM collection, a free month voucher, and the cut list for this particular project, which will all be waiting for you at your table. Right here on the front cover, I just kind of got scrappy with it and tore some paper, fussy cut this out. And of course, this is the YBM Today paper collection. And we also have like a cute little interactive element right here, a little tag. Super fun and easy to kind of just snip out the paper. Of course, you can use any paper you want, but you will be getting this paper pack. It is a BYOS type of event, so bring your own supplies. And I'll always, of course, have all the information for that, again, in that link in the description. So I kind of did a little bit of doodling here. And I just had so much fun, and I cannot wait to teach this in person for the first time ever. And right here on the front inside cover, we've got a super simple pocket. And I actually made a little booklet out of one of those 4x6 little pieces here. You can fit some 4x6 pictures right in there. No cropping necessary. I wanted to make like a cute little tag type of situation there. And then this. I want you to see the back of this paper. Here's a little journaling spot as well. And a little picture can fit on there. I mean, this is the kind of party that we're about to have. It would be so amazing to meet you. It would just be so absolutely just incredible. I'm always doing online stuff, so my first in-person event, I mean, it's just going to be so much fun. I cannot wait. And of course, you cannot forget the acetate. 4x6 picture can slide right inside there. And then this is even like its own little magnetic booklet. I ended up putting this on here instead. This is from the cut aparts page. Oh, the fun we have to kind of just document all the different fun things you did on your little adventure, whatever you were doing. And I love this because you can have this as a picture spot or as that little spot. This whole thing opens up again and reveals this nice little spread here. Wonderful moments. You got some 2x2 photo spots, a couple of these little 2x2 elements, and love this little banner up in the corner. And then right here we even have a little insert, so it's like a little pocket page interaction. 2x2 photo spots, some of these little sentiment, little 2x2 pieces that I created. It's just a total blast. You can choose a journaling spot there, or you can journal directly on top of the design paper right there. We have some solid colored cardstock options, and that just slips right back inside. And then you give it a flip, and right back here we've got another little acetate little frame. This one, of course, is horizontal this time, just to kind of switch it up. You could put a 4x6 picture in there. I fussy cut that little banner out, and then this flips down. Now, I put a cut apart here, but you can always stick a picture there. I just love how these colors just all kind of coordinate. I thought that was fun. And of course, in that link below, it gives you the location of the class, what to bring, Google Maps, the whole 9 yards is there. Right on the back here, we've got a wonderful little magnetic pouch. Now, this one's expandable, and we've got a lot of stuff in here. The rest of the paper collection, I think, is hiding in this little pocket. So we've got a ton of room inside here, nice and squishy, and love this little journaling spot. You can put a picture on the back of there, a nice little 3x4 wallet little area, and some 4x4 spots. And of course, you could turn these into journaling and anything you want. It would just be an absolute incredible experience to meet you in person, and it would be truly my honor to hang out with you, have a blast. We're gonna have lunch, we're gonna have break times, there's gonna be sandwiches, chips, snacks, chai tea, hot coffee, all just for you. So we can have a super fun time hanging out together. And if you have any questions, you can always email me at yourbookofmemories@gmail.com, and I hope to see you in class. Take care.